How to buy FARTPEPE token. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in the project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money once in crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So, as you can see, this token it's on the coin sniper. To be able to buy this token, copy the token that's from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under this Solana. So you can open your funds wallet for that and click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, as you can see, click on it and here just type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able or redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here custom because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy FARTPEPE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.